Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to complete an assignment and exams or complete courses, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So if you want to complete my lab courses like Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and we can do all online courses like Math, Stat, Accounting, Finance, Computer Science, and many other courses. So let's start an assignment. Assignment name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 9 advanced project. Select and color it. So we move to the steps skill covered in this project. Create and manage scenarios. Build a one variable data table. Use solver with constraints. This things to be done in this assignment. So stay tuned. So move to the steps. Steps to complete this project. Step number 1, open the Pool and 7 chapter 9 workbook and click the enable edit button. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. So this file have done already downloaded in my PC laptop. So step number 1 has done, so we move to the step number 2. Step number 2 only. Step number say reviews formulas only. In these steps we review the formulas. Select so part A of this step, select all. Select cell D5 on the forecast worksheet, note the formula and review the text box explanation. Select cell D5 on the forecast worksheet, note the formula and review the text box explanation. So we move to the file and also select forecast. So we move to the forecast and D5 and review the formula. C5 multiply 1 plus growth forecast. C3 multiply growth forecast. C6. So step number part E of this step completed has done. So we move to the part B of this step. Part B of this step is select cell B12. This is reference to cell C3. Select cell B12. This is reference to cell C3 on the forecast sheet. So we move to the file and select B12. Select B12 and this is reference to cell C3 on the growth forecast sheet. This is reference on cell C3 on growth worksheet, on growth factors worksheet. So this is the reference on growth worksheet, factor worksheet. So step and both cell D5 and B12 refer to the growth worksheet. So step part B has done also done. So we move to the part C. Part C is click the growth factor worksheet tab. Click the growth factor worksheet tab and the general growth rate applies across the board. Every category potential is increased or reduced by an adjustment factor. So step part C is also done. So we move to the part D. Part D is of this step is select cell B3, C3 and B6, C8 and create a range name from the selection. So we go to the file and select B3 C3, B3 to C3, and also select B6 C8. So we move to the file, and also first we press on control on laptop, and also select and create range name names from the selection. So we move to the file, and go to the Moodle step and create from selections. Create new from values in the left column. Click on OK, and step number 2 has done. So we move to the step number 3. Step number 3, create scenarios for the growth rate. So part A of this, so we move to the part A of step number 3. Part A is create a scenario named 0.15% for the exciting data with cell C3 as the changing cell. So copy the percentage, see, create a scenario name. So we move to the file, and go to the data tab, and go to the what if analysis in scenario manager, and click on add, and paste the scenario name and 15, and for the exciting data with cell C3 as the changing cell. So click this, and click on C3, click OK. So step part A is also done. So we move to the part B. Part B is add a scenario named 0.5%. Copy this and change the values to 0.005. First step, add a scenario named, and click on add, and scenario named 0.5, and change the value 0.005. Copy this and change the value. OK, and change the value from to 0.005, and step number B has also done. So we move to the step number C. Step C, and step C is add scenarios for 1.25% and 1.75% growth rates in the scenario values dialog box. You can enter the decimal equivalent 0.0125 and 0.0175 or the percentage. So add scenario, first we add scenario 1.25%. So click on add, scenario name 1.25%, and OK, and general quality growth rate. So change the value, date value, and also paste value, and also growth rate, scenario name, add growth name everywhere, scenario name, click on OK, and add the value. So we move to the file and add the value and click on. So part C has also done, so click on OK. So move to the file and part D is of this step is show the 1.25 scenario in the worksheet. So we move to the worksheet and show the, click on 1.25% and click on show, and this is also showing sheets. Click on close. So part D has done, so we move to the part E of this step. Part E says return to forecast worksheet, and also says cell B12 display the growth factor from the scenario, and yes, this also growth factor from the scenario displays, and step 3 has also done. So we move to the step number 4. Step number 4 is build the data table. So part A of step 4 is select cell E18. It refer to cell H5 projected sale next year cell. So first click on E80. It refer to cell H5 and cell F18 and G18 refer to I6 and I7 respectively. So I'll move to the click and cell F18 refer to I6 and cell G18 refer to I7. So we move to the file and part A of step 4 has done. So we move to the part B. Part B, fill the growth rate percentages in the cell D21 or D28. So fill the growth rate percentage. Step part B has done, so we move to the part C of this step. Part C of this step is complete the data table range using cell B12 as the column input. The results are incorrect because data table formula must refer to data on the same worksheet. So compare the data table range using cell B12 as the column input. The results are incorrect. So we move to the file and select all data and move to the data tab and go to the var type analysis and go to the data table and using B12 as the column input, B12 using as a column input, B12 using the column input, click on OK. So step number 4 has also done, so we move to the step number 5. Step number 5 is edit the formulas to use a reference on the same sheet as the data table. Edit formulas to use a reference on the same sheet as the table as the data table. So part A of step 5 is select cell E18 and click Trace President button. Select cell E18. Select cell E18 and click the Trace President button. Go to the Formula tab and click to the Trace President button and so part A of this step is also done, so we move to the part B. Part B of this step is click the Trace President button again to trace President of the President. So move to the file and click the Trace President button again. Click the Trace President button again. Again, the formulas in row 18 indirectly refer to cell 18 with its reference to growth factors. Our data table cannot use data on different sheet. So is indirectly show display. So part B is also done. So we move to the part C. Part C is remove the arrows and select cell D5. So this trace president arrows basically show that the formula in D5 incorrect. So we will correct the formula in D5. So remove the arrows. Click on remove the arrows and select cell B12 D5 and select cell D5. If you refer to cell B12 on this sheet instead of cell C3 on the growth factor sheet, the data table command will work. This is so part C is also done. So we move to the part D of this step. Part D of this step is edit the formula in cell D5 to show in this place 1 plus growth factors that the formula in cell D5 include refer to cell 6 C6 on the growth factor sheet, but cell C6 is not part of the data table calculation, so it need not be changed. So edit the formula in cell D5. So edit the formula in cell D5 to show D5 and delete this formula and paste and click on enter in this place, and click on enter. Formula is also correct. So step D is also done. I have done 70 to 80% steps in this assignment because total steps of the assignment 6 and I have done almost 5 steps. So you want to get complete assignment, I will do these steps in 30 minutes and I will give you a plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do my lab courses like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Access. I will also help in all online courses like Math, Stat, Computer Science, Information Technology, Python, JavaScript, C++, and MS Project, Accounting, Finance, Economics, and many other courses, and all academic works. And we have guaranteed. Then I will provide a plus grade even all classes. So thank you. We have guaranteed. Then I will provide a plus grade even all classes, all academic works. So again thank you. Say again thank you.